From electric beasts to stylish hybrids and bold redesigns, automakers around the world are racing into the future. And today, we're diving into the latest car models from 10 different companies. Ford Explorer 2025. Ford recently gave its Explorer lineup a refresh for 2025. The new Explorer brings updated front and rear fascias, a redesigned grille, sleeker headlights, and more tech inside the cabin, including a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen. It's still built for families, but with a modern twist. 9. Toyota Land Cruiser 2024. Toyota shocked fans by bringing back the legendary Land Cruiser with a retro-modern redesign. It's boxier, more rugged, and built for adventure. Under the hood, it has a hybrid powertrain with off-road capabilities and improved efficiency. The legend lives on with a new twist. 8. Hyundai Ioniq 6N. Hyundai is diving deeper into performance EVs with the Ioniq 6NA high-performance version of its sleek electric sedan. With aggressive styling, a lower stance, and improved suspension, this car targets speed lovers who also care about sustainability. 7. Chevrolet Equinox EV. Chevy is finally bringing an affordable electric SUV to the masses. The Equinox EV has a clean design, decent range, and GM's advanced Super Cruise driver assist system. It's practical, good-looking, and aimed squarely at first-time EV buyers. 6. Honda Prelude Concept. Honda surprised everyone with the return of the Prelude Yes, that sporty two-door coupe from the past. The concept combines nostalgia with futuristic lines and is rumored to use a hybrid powertrain. It's not in production yet, but fans are hoping it will be. 5. Lucid Gravity. Lucid Motors is expanding beyond sedans with its first electric SUV, the Gravity. It offers incredible luxury, a panoramic glass roof, and advanced driver assist features. With over 400 miles of range expected, this could be a serious Tesla rival. 4. BMW Neue Klasse. BMW's Neue Klasse is more than just a concept. It's a glimpse into the brand's electric future. Sharp lines, minimal interiors, and advanced battery tech are just the start. The first production models are expected by 2025, bringing a bold new design language. 3. Porsche Macan EV. Porsche is going electric in a big way with the Macan EV. This performance-oriented SUV maintains Porsche's legendary handling while going fully electric. Expect thrilling acceleration, AWD, and high-end interiors wrapped in an unmistakable Porsche shape. 3. Mercedes-Benz EQG. Yes, the legendary G-Wagon is going electric. The EQG keeps the boxy, rugged look but swaps out the gas engine for 4 electric motors. It's built for off-road domination with zero emissions and silent power. Mercedes is proving even icons can evolve. 1. Tesla Cybertruck Final Version. The long-awaited Cybertruck is finally hitting roads. With its angular design, stainless steel body, and bulletproof windows, it's a head-turner. Tesla promises insane speed, towing power, and advanced features like rear-wheel steering. Love it or hate it, this truck is the future. And there you have it. 10 brand new machines from 10 different automakers, each pushing the boundaries of what cars can be. From electric SUVs to revived legends, the future of driving is looking faster, cleaner, and a whole lot cooler. Which one was your favorite? Would you take the Lucid Gravity over the BMW Neue Klasse? Or maybe you're all about that retro Prelude comeback? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride, and don't forget to subscribe to Head Fazolin for more exciting automotive content every week. See you on the next road trip.